Hey folks, Aaron here. I have a little soprano to show you today. This goes along with some of my current research that some of you have been following, where I've been looking at some of the instruments made in the 1880s and 90s in Hawaii. And so I'm using some similar materials on this instrument. So the back and sides on this are koa, and the top is some old growth Douglas fir, which lines up with some of these instruments we've been looking at and talking about recently. And then I used a koa neck, because we see koa in some of the necks of the old instruments as well. It's got a little three-piece stripe of walnut and maple there. And then I used walnut for fretboard, headplate, and bridge and binding. And that's just because I don't prefer to use rosewood or ebony. Rather use something that's local to me. And yeah, it was just, and also you know that for me, I'm always trying to make a soprano that sounds, that has that vintage sparkle of the old ones, but has a little more warmth and depth and sustain. So that's what I'm trying to do with this one. So yeah, this is a stock instrument. It's going to be up on the website pretty soon. And I think it was a good experiment of following this little path. This is a real similar setup to my instrument called the Wayfinder. That's that one that we've been sending around to different people for a few years. That's also fir, koa, and walnut. So it's kind of fun to have a mini Wayfinder in the house for a little bit. So yeah, that's 742. Cheers.